Your DNA can tell you a lot more than just your family history. It can also teach you unique conditions of your skin, helping you create the best regimen to keep it healthy and vibrant for years to come. Dynamic DNA's Skin Kit is easy to use. Simply swab your cheek and send it in. A couple weeks later, you'll receive a comprehensive personalized report on 24 skin health DNA traits. Learn how your skin will age, your risk factors for serious skin conditions, and so much more. Your report will describe ideal products, treatments, and even foods that are best for your skin, all personalized to you based on your unique genetic traits. Order Dynamic DNA Skin Test today and let your DNA teach you how to live a more beautiful life. Discover yourself with Dynamic DNA.